8:45, kind of a slow start to the morning. Been up a little bit, but just kind of moseying around. Go say hello. The Axial 6x6 UMG was announced today. Not here at the event, it's on tower. So I imagine it's going to be here. I'm going to go see if I can find it. I'm going to see if I can capture one that I can go take on a trail or something. But we're going to go see if we can find that. That's not what they're announcing here at the event though, so not the same thing. See what it looks like.
We briefly talked about sectors. Sectors are marked. Pick up to the next chapter.
It's 1:45. I'm going to go help judge concours.
We're going to judge one class at a time. We're going to pick the top 3 from each stage. Oh, that's bad. And then
Haley, RC girl.
from RC Girl.
Josh, RC 4-wheel drive.
And then Harley from BP. Product. And the old timer Jim Campbell from Beacon. Put some sun. Last one. Military truck. All right, good job, everyone. Please do not take your trucks yet. Moving on.
I think this guy's got his trailer tires.
Guitar Hero.
Judging was a lot of fun, but I'm super hot and sweaty now and need to get back to the booth. I don't know who won best of show. They have to vote on that. 4 currently.
My reader one, so it has the aluminum shocks in the back. This is the actual test rig.
Gotcha.
So it's been run pretty hard. This is the
Nice.
one we were running at Prone by the Fire. I just
Just
changed
for
the
the new
body,
body.
just so I could have the
Just for the theme.
theme. Yeah.
I'm really out of breath again.
Yeah.
So I went and stole the 6x6 Unimog from Rich. Tatum and I are up here. Just gonna run it through some gates. I drove it quite a bit. Now I'm gonna have Tatum take over. I'm gonna do a little bit of filming.
heavy rig.
I see it selling,
Oh, yeah.
but it depends how much it would run you. You know, it's.
This is not working with what you're
It is working.
with the hog.
How well this rig does.
That's the addition since by the fire.
Hyrax tire is like.
Exactly. Hyrax. Dude.
I don't even know if I say it right.
Don't worry about showing anybody.
Okay, I didn't want
It's
to.
just so different, even if they
It's 8:30. I'm gonna turn in early tonight. It's wound down pretty good. I think we all kind of blew all our energy early.
Yo.
Bug spray. That's the necessity for bug spray.
Right.
Yes. Nobody's a fan of mosquitoes. They're
More campers rolled in today. The lot down there is pretty filled up. Flew over it just to take a look and see everything. I'm not sure when the ship date is on those, but I'm looking forward to driving one more. That's pretty fun. And then Proline's new tire with the inner webbing was pretty interesting to see. I'm actually going to try and get a chance to run those tomorrow or Saturday. We'll see. But I'm going to throw them on my carnivore, go take it out and hit some rocks. I didn't touch my ripper at all today, but it's okay. I still got to go run some trails with the 6x6, so that was successful enough for me. The bugs are bad. I need a shower. I'm going to edit this video as it's hopefully get to bed at a decent time. Wake up early and watch the Ultra 5K tomorrow. The course looks pretty gnarly. I don't want to run anything, but I definitely wouldn't want to run that. Proline did say that those tires were kind of on the chopping block, whether they were going to do them or not. So if you want to give Proline any feedback, go do it. Message them, post on their pages, whatever. Go say you want them if you want them. I don't know, I'm looking forward to driving them. There's kind of a sneak peek anyway, so. All right, that's it. I'm back to the RV, turning it in. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.